how to contact ChatGPT support for payment related issue. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser and then search for OpenAI Help Center. Now click on this very first website, OpenAI Help Center. Open it and you will land to this kind of page. At the right corner you will find this kind of icon. You have to click on it. Click on this option of messages. Make sure you have signed into your ChatGPT account and then click on send us a message. Now here you have to select this option of billing. From here you can have conversation with ChatGPT support and discuss about payment related issues. Here you can see different options as VAT exemption request, credit card declined, how do I cancel my subscription, and many more. You can choose the related issue of yours. This is how you can easily contact ChatGPT support for payment related issues. You can just have the detailed conversation about the payment related issue and ChatGPT will try to fix your problem. This is how you can contact ChatGPT support for payment related issue. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.